it's Candace with Finding the Heart of Redlands, and I'm here with Damon Burns, mortgage broker with Arrowhead Capital.
Hello.
I've got a question for you this morning
Okay.
regarding our newsletter information here about mortgage loans and being sold. Is there any advice that you can offer up to our homeowner in regards to this? Should they be afraid?
Never. No, you shouldn't be afraid at all. It's a very common thing. So, of course, it's very frustrating. You shop for a loan, you picked out your company that you're going to work with, you found a loan officer you like who'd work well together. You close the loan, everything goes great, and then all of a sudden your loan gets sold. And, why? Well, the number one reason why mortgages are sold, the straight and easy, simple answer is liquidity, money. They want to develop cash. Servicing loans have a lot of value, and so they sell it so they can develop more money. Another big reason is because they operate off of warehouse lines or credit lines, and they want to free those lines up, and so they have the ability now to lend more money and make more mortgages. So that's the main reason it happens. Most loans are sold on the secondary market, which you probably heard of: Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, Ginnie Mae. There's a lot of private investors that also do it, and you probably have heard of another term, getting a little technical here, but mortgage-backed securities. Those things they're all piled into a big thing, and they're sold on the secondary market as mortgage-backed securities. So mortgage lenders versus mortgage servicers. Mortgage lenders are the people who actually make the loans typically, and mortgage servicers are the ones that collect the payments and handle all the escrows for the taxes and insurance. Not all mortgage lenders are mortgage servicers, and not all mortgage services are mortgage lenders. So most lenders don't service loans. They do sell the servicing rights immediately. To you, this just means that you're going to be making your payment to somebody else. Your terms are not going to change. The new servicer is basically just going to be collecting your payments based on the original agreement that you made when you got the loan originally. So if the terms don't change, certain things may change by going from one service to another, such as certain features like their online access or their just how they do things. It may be a little bit different, so expect those changes. Let's see, what else? Well, then you got to figure out who actually owns your loan. Who owns your loan is going to be probably the investor that owns it eventually. That would be your Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, Ginnie Mae, or sometimes a private investor. So the biggest thing for you to be concerned about is who is your new servicer. They will notify you 30 days in advance that they're selling the loan, so your old servicer will notify you, and your new servicer will notify you within 60 days. They will notify you before, because they want to make sure that you know that you're going to be making your payments to somebody else. As a result of your mortgage being sold, you do have certain rights and responsibilities. One of those rights is that they have to notify you. They have to notify you within 30 days. They have to provide you with what's called a loan ownership transfer notice. And then the new lender must notify you as well that they are going to be your new lender and where to send your payments, the new address, any of those things. You will also have a 60-day grace period. So if you are a creature of habit like I am, you will continue making your payments. If you use an online service, continue to make your payments to the other lender. They'll let you go 2 months maximum without any late charges.
Good to know.
It's really a good idea to pay attention to your mortgage. Make sure that the terms are correct. If there's any questions that you have on anything, call your existing servicer or call the new servicer, but make sure you communicate. Pay attention to the details and communicate.
Communication is always the key to any solution, isn't it? Communicate,
Absolutely.
communicate. And as always, Damon, you have been in the business for a long time, very experienced.
Almost 30 years.
30 years. He's the one to go to when you're looking for a loan and you need answers like this. Damon is a really good resource for you to interview and get your loan from Damon. Damon, what's your phone number to contact you?
You can reach me at 909-648-5263.
It's great meeting you and finding you here at your office.
Thank you.
Bye for now. We'll talk to you later.